So you want to learn how to edit like Tommy, huh?
Yeah.
You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll tell you how can you edit like TOMMYINNIT. Also, people find me very annoying as a big name, but if you don't subscribe, yeah, so let's begin with it. As you know, to get TOMMYINNIT subtitles. So to get it, like if you can see, according to this, is I'm gonna go here. So this is what I wrote on TOMMYINNIT. So if you can see according, I just got Doisis. This is the font TOMMYINNIT used, and this TOMMYINNIT used bold version, and I got bold. So there's a little stroke applied, the black color. Now if you can, yeah, now you can see the stroke is 10%, 15%. And if you can see, I just got a little animation like this. So to get the animation, I'll show you. So close this source text folder, go to motion, right? So you have to click this toggle animation mark on the first, a little like some frames, 2 frames forward than 2 frames. You can see it is something like 110. So you can like you are here, press this, yep, got this, and get 2 frames. Not here, so Control Z, got 2 frames, and bam, got it. And you can see it's 110, so we got that 110. Then I like at 2, approximately 5/6 frames. You have to get 1.25. So let's get this. So we have to be like we are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's get the 6th frame, that is 125. Right it, and you can see this animation. So when you're gonna see this, it's like this.